Delivering justice, vocabulary. 1. Demonstrators. Meaning, people who protest or show their opinions in public. Sentence. The demonstrators marched in the streets for equal rights. 2. Mistreated. Meaning, treated badly or unfairly. Sentence. The dog was mistreated before being rescued. 3. Qualified. Meaning, having the right skills or experience for something. Sentence. She is qualified for the job because she has experience. 4. Segregation. Meaning, keeping people separate because of race, gender, or other reasons. Sentence. In the past, segregation kept students in different schools. 5. Sympathize. Meaning, to understand and care about someone's feelings. Sentence. I sympathize with my friend because she is feeling sad.